you doing? Hey, Stinky Pants. Liam, you being a silly boy. Liam Hurley. LJ, hello, Good Day. What do you have? Where's Charlie? Oh, there he is. What do you have? The best green ball ever? Does it bounce? Oh, what is that? What is that?
A ball.
It's a ball. And does it bounce? Where'd Charlie go? There he is. You want to throw it to Mama? I'll throw it back. Woo! Good throw. Ready? Here it comes. Roll it. Woo! Here it comes. Whoa! It rolls everywhere. Oh, it rolls everywhere. You're going to throw it to Liam. Over your head. Oh, now where did it go? Oh, dear. There goes Charlie, man. What's going on in this crazy place?